Ivan Bude, Hamotama. You all welcome to the grade 9 English medium maths paper class today. So we just completed the syllabus, but in some classes we have additional part, especially that the last lesson, frequency distribution. There we have the group distribution to find out the mod class and the median class. Okay, so I will complete that part by the next week, but at the moment we will discuss the paper discussion. So I think everyone got the paper and they have the answer with you. So we can start the discussion. Okay, right? If you have any doubts, any questions, you can send a message and make the corrections carefully and understand, especially the not known part to you, right? Okay, now I will move to the discussion today, right? Right. So this is the paper we shared with you, right? So one by one, I am discussing, make the corrections and make any additional theory parts you learn today, make them in a certain order, right? Okay, now we are moving to the first question. Remember, refresh, recall the previous lessons that we learned. First one, 73.568, round off to the nearest second decimal place. Okay, second decimal place, they are asking, right? To round off the second decimal place, we look into the third one. To round off the second decimal place, we look into the third one. This is the first decimal place. This is the second decimal place. This is the third. So we look into the third one. See, they are 73.568. So we always look into the third and we cut the third one. Right. Then we disregard, we remove the third one, but based on the third decimal, we decide whether we are adding one or not adding one to the second decimal place. So we are cutting 8. So 8 is 5 or more than 5 value. Then we have to add 1 to the second decimal place. So the answer should be second decimal place 6. We add 1 to the second decimal place. Then 73.57. 73.57. So 1 marks there. Then round off to the nearest whole number, Purna Sankhya. So rounding off to the whole number, we look into the first decimal place. එයාට ළඟ කෙනා දිහායි බලන්න. First decimal place නම් second දිහා. Second නම් third දිහා. Okay. So here we are going to round off to the first whole number. Then first decimal place you are looking first decimal place and you disregard the all the other everything after the whole number. You disregard everything, but based on the first decimal place, you decide you are adding 1 to the whole number or not. So you are cutting here 5, right? Then you are cutting here 5, then you are adding 1 to the whole number. That means 74. So the answer here 74. Here answer is 73.57. First part and the second part. Okay, right. So the question number 2, this is the simple equation 8 plus 3x upon 4 equal 5, right? So then we will discuss how to do that type of equations, right? Using the board here, I will move you to the boards quickly. Right, now we are discussing the question number 2, that is 8 plus 3x upon 4 equal 5. See there, this is a simple equation, Puta. Then in a simple equation, our purpose is to subject x, right? Given a value for x, we are making subject x at the side. So here division 4 there, how to eliminate division 4 firstly, we know the opposition division 4 is multiplication. So this is an equation, we cannot multiply at a certain side, we have to multiply both the sides by 4. Okay, then here 4 and 4 simplified. Then here it comes as 8 plus 3x equal 5 into 4, 20. Now you can subject x, but better this eliminate the plus 8 first because x to be subjected, now plus 8 to be eliminated. How we bring minus 8 to the both the sides? So here also we bring minus 8. Then what happened? 8, 8 cancelled. Then here 3x equal 20 subtract 8, 12. Then x to be subjected. Here 3x they are. So how to subject x? Just divide by 3 both the sides. So 3, 3 cancelled out. Then you can see that x equal 12 upon 3 means 4. So x equal 4. So that is the solution. Satisfy the equation. Okay. So how to check whether your answer is okay or not? You can substitute this x equal 4 to the equation in your mind and check whether the left side is equal to the right side. How? In your mind, substitute 4. 3 into 4 means what? 3x, no? 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 divided by 4, 5. Yes, right side also 5. So that is the question number 2. Now we are moving to the question number 3. Right, see the question number 3. So question number 3 deals with a triangle right. In this triangle, one angle is 100, 3x, x. So here it is 100 and here 3x and here x. Okay. Not as for the size, huh? This is not 100, it is acute, but that is given as obtuse angle. Okay. Now you know that the interior angle sum of a triangle is add up to 180. In every triangle, the interior sum is 180. So you can add up all the angles to 180 degrees. So you can now write 3x plus x plus that 100, right, equal 180 degrees. The interior angles of a triangle is add up to 180. So here 3x, x means 4x plus 100 equal, right, 180. Then subtract this 100 from both the sides. So 180 subtract 100. Then you can see that 4x equal 80. Then subject x. So you have to divide by 4 both the terms. Then you can see that 4, 4 cancelled. X equal 20 degrees. X equal 20 degrees. Okay. If any questions you can ask. Right. Okay, make the corrections. So now it is given to talk to you. If any doubts, you can ask questions. Right. So that is done. Question number 3. Now we are moving to the question number 4. Right. See the question number 4. Question number 4. That is a parallelogram. So find the area of the parallelogram given in the diagram. So you know that we learned the parallelogram area, how the parallelogram area base into the height, right? So what is the area of the parallelogram? Area equal, right, base into the height, perpendicular height. So what is the base? So base is given as 16 centimeter by 11 centimeter. So 16 by 11, right? So everyone write the steps. Without steps, don't move to the final answer. At least this is, although you didn't mention base into height, at least you can apply this step 16 into 11. Base into height, multiplication to be indicated. Okay. Then 16 multiplied by 11. So you know that multiplication by 11 easy trick. මොකද ලේසි ක්‍රමය 11 වලින් multiply කරන ඕනම number එකක් ලේසි ක්‍රමය 2 digit එකක් විශේෂයෙන් 1 6 separated, right? Then between that add 1 and 6 together, sum of 1 and 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. So that is the answer, 176 square centimeters. Okay, remember the parallelogram area, base into height, learn that one. Okay, question number 5. If A equal this much and B equal this much, write the set A intersection B. Intersection means the common element for both set A and B. So what are the common element for both set A and B? See, 2 is there, 2 is there, yes, 2 common. Then 3 no, 4 no, 6 no, 8 no, right? So only 2 is the common for both the elements. So write the set. Remember the question says the set A intersection B. So how to find A intersection B set? So you write within the curly brackets the intersection. So what is the intersection? That is 2. Okay, within the curly bracket. So A intersection B is 2. So compulsory right to write that is within the curly bracket because it is a set definition to write within a curly bracket. Okay, write this one as base 10 number. Make සමහරුන්ට අමතකයි දැන් as base 10 number. Second question again. Second question. Second questions we have done, Putta. Here we multiply by 4 both the sides. You can see it in the here. You can see here. This is the second question in the board, right? If any doubts, you can ask. Here we multiply by 4 both the sides to eliminate the division. Then 8 plus 3x comes as 5 into 4, 20. Then you subject x there, x as 4. Okay, right. Right. Now we move to the next question. 10101 base 2. Right. What is the question? Question number 6. Make a balagana number like the binary numbers. Right. The second lesson. Right. So base is 2. So how to give the answer? Everyone see here. So we give the place value of each digits near to that place value. So in binary numbers, the place values are running like 1, 10, 100, 1000 as 10 to the powers. Because the normal decimal numbers are 10 to the powers. Here 2 to the powers. So what is the last value? Place value is 2 to the power 0. Then 2 to the power 1. Then 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 4. Or otherwise, remember, like 2 to the power 0 means 1. Then 2, 4, 8, 16. Remember in this way. Right, last one, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now you can check that. 1, how many ones are there? 1. So it creates 1 into 1 value plus. Here 0, 2 into 0. Right, 2 place value but 0 values there. Plus here 4 into 1. Plus here 8 into 0. Plus here 16 into 1. This is the formal way of taking the answer. But generally you can disregard the 0 values. Why? It doesn't contribute a value to the final answer. Okay, then disregard that one, just 1, 1, then 4, then 16. 16, 4, 1. Then add all the things. So here becomes 1, then here it comes 4, here it comes 16. Right, then 16 for 20 plus 1, 21. Better final answer, the base to be equal 10. Okay, right. Right, Uta. Do it. Hands up those who got the answer 21. Right, okay, fine. So question number 6 being discussed. Now the 7. මේක ලීසියෙන් මතක තියාගන්න පුතා මෙච්චර ඩීටේල් තමයි මේක හරිම විදිය. ලේසියෙන් මෙයාගේ places values ටික දාගන්න. 1 2 4 8 16. එතකොට zeros තියෙනවා අතාරින්න. මෙයාගෙන් place එකට generate වෙන්නේ නැහැ value එකක්. right? අනිත් ඒ වගේ values ටික එකතු කරලා ගන්න ඉච්චරයි. When you write the answer in the numbers, binary numbers, especially mention the base, either base 10 or the 2. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7, find the value of x according to the data given in figure. Right, here we have a triangle. See, this is the triangle. And here one exterior angle created. Okay, and this angle being marked 90, and here x, here 90, here x, and here 135. Now we learn that the exterior angle theorem. What's the exterior angle theorem says? This is the triangle and this is the exterior angle. So it says the exterior angle create 135 equal interior. This is the interior of it, not interior, interior opposite sum. Okay, then 135 equal 90 plus x. So you can write 90 plus x. Then you can subject x as 135, bring this 90 to the other side, subtract 90. Then x given as 45 degrees. Right, x as 45 degrees. Okay, you apply the exterior angle theorem. Otherwise, another method, you can find this interior, how the sum of these two 180, the angles on a straight line, then this angle plus this angle plus this angle. The sum of these three angles gives you the 180. But that's the longest path. The shortest path is use the exterior angle theorem. Okay, right. Then question number 8. Make the corrections there. Right, question number 8, the factorizing. Most students are having difficulties in this factorizing. So check the answer. X squared plus 3x minus 28, asking to factorize. Okay, in factorizing, what we see first, we just multiply. This is a trinomial quadratic expressions. So where we do minus 28 multiply with x squared. And we take the answer minus 28 x squared. Okay, then the product to be given minus 28, and when you add the terms, then that to be given positive 3x. Okay, so minus product mean one to be positive, other to be negative. Why the product to be given minus sign, one, then one positive, other one minus. Then positive minus comes there when we take the sum, not they are adding, the subtraction should be plus 3. The difference should be 3. So now we think in that difference 3 and product 28. What's the suitable pair? You can take 7 into 4 because 7 into 4, 28. 7 subtract 4, 3. So based on this middle term sign, that is plus 3, you offer the bigger pair, positive out of the two values of the pair 7. 4 bigger value is positive. 7x, 4x. Now think 7 into 4, 28 minus 7 plus minus 4 plus 3x. Now you replace this plus 3x by the plus 7x minus 4x, right, minus 28. Now you can take an out x, then x plus 7, then here minus 4 taken out, then x plus 7. Okay, now you can say that x plus 7 is common, right? Then here x is remaining and here minus 4. So the answer is x plus 4 into x minus 4. Hands up those who got the answer. Right, okay. Right, now we are moving to the question number 9. To the question number 9. So I can do it at here, question number 9 in the diagram itself. Right, see there, you can see a parallel line. They ask in the x. When you see the parallel line, you can see this is a Z-shaped angle. We call the alternate angles. If the lines are parallel, then the alternate angle same. So if this is 35, then here also 35. So what's the reason? They are alternate angles. They are equal since the lines parallel. Now you can see the triangle. So into the angle, sum of these triangle, right, is add up to 180. So now you can write x plus 90 degree plus, then here 35 degree equal 180 degrees. Okay, now you can add here 5, 9 plus 3, 12 equal 180 degrees. So subject x here, then 180 subtract 125, then x equal, right, 55 degrees. X equal 55 degrees. Okay, so what are the theorems? So this is one method only. In geometry, you know that geometry is like we are traveling to Colombo from Kurunagri, imagine. So we have several paths. So in geometry also, we have several paths to achieve the same answer. So you can see here, some students can think that this x and right 90 plus 3, 35, this whole angle and this whole angles are allied angle. Since the line parallel, the sum of allied angle equal 180. From that also you can find out the value for x. There is another method. So if this is x, by alternate this is also x, right? In this way is a shape. Okay, then the angles on this straight line towards this way, the sum of these three also equal to the 180. They are the angles on a straight line. So then also you can find the x value. However you approach whatever method, the final would be x equal 55. Okay, right. Now we are moving to the question number 10. Find the value of x squared minus 4x plus 8 when x equal 5. Just you need to substitute x as the given value to the expression. So x squared minus 4x plus 8. So substitute x as 5. For x terms, substitute 5. 5x squared minus 4 into x means 5 plus 8. So 5 squared means what? 5 into 5, that is 25. Here 4 into 5, 20, right, plus 8. Okay, now 25 subtract 20 means 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 means 13. Okay, you subtract 20 first, 5 answer plus 8, 13. So that are very easy, right? So now we are moving to the question number 10. So question number, no, that is 10 done. Now 11. That is 10, huh? This is 11. Okay, 11 is given as simplify 3 to the power 2 and power 4 and then divide by 3 to the power 5. So here we have the index laws. We have index laws, 5 laws. So just simplify using the index law. Here, base there, power and power, power and power. We call this rule is power to the power rule. So you can take 3 power to the power. When power to the power they are, then the powers being multiplied together. So 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 4, that is 8. The powers being multiplied. 2 into 4, 8. Divide by 3 to the power 5. So what rule apply? Power to the power, then powers being multiplied together, 2 and 4. Then now the same basis, the division is there. So in same basis division, what we do, keep the same base 3, but the powers being subtracted in division, subtracted from 8, subtract 5. So then it gives you the final answer 3 to the power 3. So better you can keep it in the index form, or you can further take the answer 3 to the power 3 is 27. So here they are not asking taking the final value. This is also acceptable and 27 also acceptable. Okay, right. Right, next one, question number 12. Question number 12. There are 2 boys and 3 girls in a debate. What is the probability of selected students being a boy for the leader of the team? Right. 2 boys, 3 girls. Boys, they 9, girls la. How many girls there are? 3 girls. So for finding probability, all the time you take the total persons, the total results. How many? 5, total 5 members. Then being selected the student being a boy for the leader of for the team. Selected the students being a boy. So out of total 5 students, right, take below the total results. Above that, the certain event results, certain event is being a boy. So being a boy, how many boys are there? 2 there. So the probability of being a boy is 2 upon 5. So here asking being a boy for the team. Okay, being a girl means girls are 3, then 3 upon 5. Okay, so that's the probability nature. Fine. Right, now we are moving to the question number 13. 13 says, find the 6 terms of a number patterns, the general term, common term. We know that the common term is 7 in minus 8. Okay, so finding common terms, how to find the common terms? 6 term asking for n, you substitute 6. So now you can see that T6 equal 7 into 6 minus 8. Okay, then 7 into 6, 42 minus 8. Then that gives you 34. That gives you 34. 42 minus 8, then 34 is the answer. Okay, for general term, the main use is you can substitute, write any value for n and you can take the answer for Tn. For n10, n15, and 20, then you can take any certain terms by substituting the value for n. Okay, 6 terms, 7 into 6 minus 8. Right, then question number 14 there. Right, question number 14 says here, we have a triangle. So one side is produced here and here also side produced there. Okay, then 50, here 50 and here x and here finally 135. Okay, Now you can have the in different ways. My approach is I can find this interior angle. How? Right, because all add up to 180. Then here from 180 you can subtract this angle. Right, 180 subtract 135, then 45 degree there. So here 45 degree. Okay, then you can see that this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle, and this is the side produced. Okay, then the exterior angle is the x. So that x equal interior. This is the interior. Then interior opposite sum. Okay, then interior opposite sum. So 50 plus 45. So x now equal 95 degrees. X equal 95. අද්භුතේ ආධමටම උත්තරේ නෝ නේද මේ බලන්න ඉන්නව නේද හරියට. Right. So the exterior is x, then it equal interior opposite sum. Right. 50 plus 45, that gives you 95. Right. Question number 15. Question number 15, it says 2a plus 2a upon 5 plus, sorry, 3a upon 5 3a upon 5 plus 2a upon 3. Right. Now this is addition of fractions. Okay, fraction addition එක. The fraction addition එකකදී අපිට denominator same වෙන්න ඕනේ. We need to make the denominator same. Right. So here denominator 5, here denominator 3. So you have to make the denominator same. 5 and 3, you have to then take the LCM of 5 and 3. What's the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. They both convert to the 15. Then you make 15 here. How? By multiplying 3 both the sides, and here by multiplying 5 both the sides. Now you can see 3 into 3, 9a upon 15 plus here 10a upon 15. Now 15 is the denominator at the numerators. 9 plus 10, 19a upon 15. Right. Okay, next question we will move. Right. That is 12% discount is given from the mark price when selling an electric oven. What is the amount have to pay to buy if the mark price is 9,000? From 9,000, 12% is the discount offered. So you can find out the discount offered first, right? So now I will say you how to do that one. 12% of 9,000, calculate. First calculate the discount. Right. No, Puta, with the previous question, we cannot make into the mixed numbers because algebraic terms dealing, then we cannot convert to the mixed numbers. Okay. Right. Then 12% of 9,000. So this is the discount. 12%, the mark price is 9,000. 12% discount mean if the mark price is 100, right, the discount offer is 12. If that's so, for 9,000, what is the discount offer? Okay, now you can see 2 zeros cancel and 0, right? Then it gives you 1,080 rupees. That is the discount offered. Discount. So then what is the discounted price? Discounted price means from 9,000, this being deducted when they are paying. Right, then from 9,000 subtracts the 1,080. Then that gives you 0, 9, 7. Okay, so that gives you rupees 7,920. Okay, that is the payment to be done. So that is one method. There is another method directly without finding the discount. As per the definition, 12% means if the mark price is 100, 12 is deducted from the mark price and selling for what? 100ක් ගහලා තිබුණොත් පුතේ 12ක් අඩු වෙලා සෙල් කරන්න කීයටද? 100න් 12ක් අඩු වුණාම that is 88. Right. So if 9,000 mark price, how much the selling price? Meaning build up karma. If the mark price is 100, then 12 deducted, then selling is 88. If that's so, if the mark price is 9,000, how much the deduction? 2 zeros cancel. Then that also given as the answer rupees 7,920. One shot, no cow. One shot, the answer given. Ari. Dragon. So one method to be followed. Right. Next one, the 17th question. First, I will solve it. Right. Solving inequality. Solving inequality is similar to, right, solving equations. So there are some dissimilarities there. However, here x to be subjected. So I subject x here. So it says 3 plus x greater than or equal 5. Okay, then x to be subjected, x greater than or equal, bring this 3 to the other side, and 5 minus 3. So x greater than or equal 5 minus 3 means 2. Okay, x greater than or equal 2. Now check x greater than or equal 2. Now this is the answer. So and represent the solution set on the following number. So how to represent this one? You go there to number 2 and you go and take number 2 here and encircle it. Okay, encircle it. And then why you shade it here, equal mark there, 2 belongs there. So 2 belongs, then you encircle it. Now it says x greater than or equal to greater than. Greater than mean from that number, the right side to be shaded with the axis and with the arrow. Because that too is continuing, that is not ending here. Okay, so this is the answer. X greater than or equal to. Right. Okay, so first mark, 1 mark is for this one, and for this indication, the other mark is of it. Right, now we move to the question number 18. Right, 18, 5 minus 3, see there. Right, 5 minus 3 upon 6, right, minus 3a plus 2, 3a plus 2 upon 6 there, right. Now here minus sign is there. So minus sign is there. Then how to do that one? See carefully. 6, 6 equal. You keep the same denominator 6. Right. 5a minus 3. Better minus keep and keep. This is within the brackets 3a plus 2. Because that minus sign belongs to both 3a and plus 2. Not for only 3a. Okay, then better keep a bracket. Now remove the bracket with minus sign. So like minus sign to be multiplied by both the terms. That's to be remembered. Okay, then minus into 3a minus 3a, then minus into plus minus 2 upon 6. Now check 5a minus 3a means 2a, right? Minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5 upon 6. So the final answer becomes 2a minus 5 upon 6. 2a minus 5 upon 6. Okay, mark that one. Hands up those who got the answer. Right. Here we have line AB. So we make north here, and here also north. Here north and here also north. Right. Now AB there. Okay, now check the questions. Bearing of B from value is the important here. From A is 120. B from A. From wording we check there. From A. So you make a note there. Then to the clockwise direction. Yes, to the clockwise. Yes, right. To the clockwise direction, we have 120 degrees. Okay, so that is the mark thing. So they're asking find the bearing of A and B name A from B. A from B should be there. So from B means here now you connected A line from B A bearing. That means here from north you have to rotate to the clockwise. So this is the angle you need. So that is the bearing of A from B. So to find that angle in the geometry, you can find this part. How to find that part? You know that these both nodes are parallel line. So this is like a transversal. Then this angle and this angles are allied angle. Since the line parallel, the sum of allied angle is 180. So here 120 they are, then here it shall be 60 degree. Okay, that part. But that's not the bearing. Bearing is the angle the outside. Right, except that 60. We know that angles around this point is 360. Then see the other angle from 360, subtracts the 60 degree, then it comes as 300 degrees. So the answer is 300 degrees. Okay. So we can't cut as it is 2A. Yes, 2A. Okay, another. Can't you hear me? Can you hear me, Puta? Can you hear? Okay. Right. Okay. So that is okay, right? So the last question we are moving now. See there. Right. Question number 20. Right. So the last question 20. So we have a triangle here 90-degree mention, and then here 5, 13, 5 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and A. So they're asking to find the value of A. So we learned the Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. When two sides are given, to find the third side, we have the theorem called the Pythagoras theorem. So how to apply the Pythagoras theorem? That hypotenuse is square. This is the 90-degree angle. Front to that, we have the hypotenuse. Okay, what is the hypotenuse here? 13. Then that 13 square equal the other two sides square sum. So 5 squared plus A squared. So 13 square is 169. 13 into 13. 5 square means 625 plus A squared. Then you can take A squared equal, right, 169 minus 25. Bring this 25 to the other side, sign change. Then A squared equal 144, right? Then take the square root of both the sides, right? So here also you take square root, but when you take square root, that gives you actually plus or minus value. Okay. Then A squared root is A equal plus or minus square root 114, 4 mean plus or minus 12. But we know that A is a side length, A greater than 0. Therefore, we take A is 12 centimeter plus 12. Okay. Right. Right. So I will explain again, Kulansa. See here. So 90 degrees there. This is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem says that the front sides to the 90 degree, that is called the hypotenuse. Front to the 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse, that is 13. Right, that 13 square, the hypotenuse square equal the sum of other two sides squares. Right, what is the hypotenuse? 5 squared plus A squared. Right, that's how we simplified it. Right. Okay. Right, 5 squared plus A squared equals 13 squared. Right, mark it. Right, you can make the marks and send me a message about how many marks you gain for the first 20 questions. And if any doubts, you can talk to me now. If any doubts of the first 20 questions. Okay. Okay, 40 marks. Okay. Okay, well done. 36, 40, 40. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, right. Very good. Okay. Okay, right, well done. Right, okay. Now we will move to the part 2 of the paper. If right, well done. I saw the marks, very good. Right. Now we move to the part 2. The frequency distribution is the first question. You know that that is mostly given here. Right, see that following table represent consumption of water of 50 houses, right? 50 houses, number of houses given 33, 34, this one. According to the frequency distribution, if the marks are given now in front of that, then you can make the marks. So the previous part, each question's 2 marks there. Okay, right. According to the frequency distribution, find the range. So we learned the range is the highest data subtracts the lowest data. Right. So what is the highest data here? Highest data is the 39 subtracts the lowest data is 33. Then that gives you 6. 6, right? So that is the range. Then mod. Mod is defined. Tell me what is the mod? Mod is the, it's not clear to you. Wait. Right. Okay. Right. I think it's okay now. Right. So mod is the most repeated data. So what is the most repeated data here? Right. Frequency highest one. Number of houses more is 11. 11 belongs to which data? 37. The data is taken. Right. The mod is the most frequency data, most repeated data. So that means 37. So median is the middle one, midterm. How to take the midterm? So that is given 50 houses. So you know that to find the median, I will move to you. Median is, this is the formula. Median equal, right? The position of median given plus n plus 1 upon 2th data, right? So n is now 50. So 50 plus 1 upon 2th data. Now you can see that 50 plus 1 means 51 upon 2. 51 upon 2 means 25.5 data. So how to take the 25.5 data? That means the data between 25th and 26th. So you can take 25.5 data, 25th data plus 26th data in the series, divide by 2. So that is how you take it. If you need to take 25.5 data means 25 data plus 26 data divide by 2. Then how to check the 25 and 26 data in this distribution? Now, as I mentioned, you make a cumulative frequency column near to that. How to take the cumulative frequency column? Just add in the frequency together. Here start with 4, then 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 10, 26, then here 37, then 45, then 50. Okay, you apply a cumulative frequency near to that column. Now you need what? 25 and 26 data. So now you need, now you see that 4, 9. So the fourth data is up to fourth data 33, up to ninth data then 34. Then after 9 up to 16, 35. Now after 16 until 26 data. After 16th data until they reach 26th data, the data value is 36. So after 26, right, then 27 data comes as 37. So up to 26, that's the data is 36. Then you can see that they ask, we need 25th data and 26th data. Then 25th data also 36, right, plus 26th data also 36, right, 36 plus 36 divided by 2. Then the answer becomes 36. That's how you take it. Okay, right, complete it. That is 2 mark. Then complete the following table: mean number of watt units used by house in a day. Copy the table into your answer script. That is 2 marks. Now you need to fill up this table. So why you need to fill up this table? Using this table, you can find out the mean. For finding means, you require this table, right? So the data frequency fx, just multiply and this take the answer. $360, multiply these two. And here houses. Yes, now you take the sum of all the data, right? So that gives you 1,813. So that is called the sum of fx column, that is called sigma fx. Okay, then take the sum of f column, right, that houses in the top given also, that is 50, because sigma f equal 50, right? You can add this one and also it gives you 50, right? So this is the column we completed. How we completed? Just f and x, multiply and got the fx column. Now, how to find the mean? You know that mean equation. Remember, mean equal x bar equals sigma fx upon sigma f. මොකද පුතේ mean එක හොයන equation එක sigma fx upon sigma f. Right, x bar is the symbol for mean. Right, හදාගන්න. Right, now we will check the mean here. Right, how to try to find the mean? X bar equal sigma fx. Sigma fx is 1813 divided by sigma f mean 50. So with use of long division, right, divide by 50 and take the answer. That gives you 36.26. Long division එකෙන් මේක divide කරන්න. So x bar equal 36.26 units. So they're asking complete the following to find the mean number of watt units used by in a day. Right. So that's the answer. 5 marks there. Okay. Right. This is regarding the lesson that we have balance here. However, I will tell you how to do that one, but this part is not yet done in our theory class. Okay. However, I will take the answer. Copy the following table into your answer script and take in the class intervals as 20, 29, 30, 39, right? 40, 49. Prepare a ground frequency distribution, right? You write 20, 29, then next one, so I can draw 20, 29, then 30, 39, okay, the second one, and then we have 40, 49, right? Now make the tally marks. How to take 20 to 29 range, how many data there are? 20යි 29 අතර data කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා දාන්න යන්න. right හොඳට බලන්න. මෙහෙමයි ගන්න. 34 cut කරන්න 34 වැටෙන්නේ මෙතෙන්ට. So you make a tally mark. 70. case එක නේද මේ examples තුනක් නේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් මේක continue වෙනවා පුතා 15ට එකක් නෙමෙයි. දැන් මේකේ 70 80 දක්වා යන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට 15ට table එක ගොඩක් ඇඳෙන්න වෙනවා මෙතන ඊට මදි. So what is the lowest data? Not the 20, 21, right? Okay. I will. Now check the table. Right, අපි බලමු මේ table එකට දාන්න. Right? කියන්න බලන්න මට where we start 20 to 29. So the class interval 20 to 29, then 30 to 39, likewise running, right? 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, then 70 to 79, then 80 to 89, right? Is that sufficient? After 80 values? No. Yes, that is the ending. හරි දැන් මම tally mark එක දාන්න යන්නේ නෑ පුතේ හදපු අය කියන්න මට right here the tally mark, here the interval, class interval, right? Then here the tally mark. Why we apply the tally mark? To counting purpose only, but we require in the exam just the class interval and the frequency only. So this is the frequency, right? Tell me everyone, right? 2029, what is the value? Yes, 3. Then 30 to 39, 8, right? Then 9, then 3, then 2, then 2, then 3, then finish, right? Okay. Is any issues, right? Tell me. මොනහරි අඩුපාඩු තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න පුතා. Right, that is okay. Okay, now the tally marks is there, right? One, so මේක ගහලා tally mark අඳින්නේ නැහැ. tally mark ගන්න මේක count කරගන්න. මේකෙන් වැඩක් නැහැ මේක දැම්මට පස්සේ. So tally mark 8 mean, but for your reference, I write 4, 5 bundle and 3. This is how you put here 5 bundle and write 4. Here 3 means this way 3. Here 2 means this way. Here 2 and here 3. Right. Okay, now that is the table completed. So the next one they are asking, find the model class. බලමු අපි හදපු අය model class mod කියන වචනෙන් එන්නේ. Model class mod එක තියෙන class එක. හවුද ළමයි? Right. Mod means the highest frequency. What is the highest frequency? Highest frequency is what? 9 that belongs to which class? This is the model class. Right. See there. The highest frequency belongs to this class. See there, this is the highest frequency class, that is 40 to 49. So this is the class 40 to 49, that is the model class. So model class is the 40 to 49. This is how you get the answer. Okay. The part 2 they are asking, find the median class on Northernite game. Find the median class. So for finding a median class, what we require, Puta, as I mentioned, we require the cumulative frequency column. At the side, we write cumulative frequency column. Here 3, then add. Then here 3, then add 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 3, 23, 23 plus 2, 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 20 plus 3, 30. So now you know the formula of finding median class. Median position is n plus 1 upon 2th term. Right, so what is that? N means 30, 30 plus 1 upon 2. Right, 30 plus 1 means 31 upon 2 means 15.5 data. 15.5 data means what? 15th data plus 15.5 locate between 15 and 16. So 15th data plus 16th data divide by 2. Now check in the column what is the 15th data. Now you check here 3, 11 are. After 11 until 20. After 11 until 20, the data is 40 to 49 class. So that means 15 data, 16 data, both lies here under this 40, 49 class. So the class we are giving here, 40, 49, is the median class, median class. Okay, right. Make the marks there. Okay, very good. Now that is done. Just a very important questions for the questions are sahin danuma එකතු වෙනවා අපි theory class එකක් කරනවට වඩා මොකද එක දවසින් subject එකේ හැම පැත්තක්ම touch කරනවා. So හරියටම subject ඉගෙන ගන්න අඩුපාඩු නැතුව. Right. හරියටම ආස කරන්න ගණන් හදන්න. මම හැමදාම කියනවා වගේ. Right. එතකොට තමයි අපිට මේ විෂය හොඳට පිළිහිටන්නේ. ආසාව ඇති වෙන තාක්කල් තමයි අපිට මේක බැරි වෙන්නේ. හැම විටම ගණන් හදන්න ආස කරන්න, උත්තර ගන්න ආස කරන්න. තමන් හදපු උත්තරේ හරිද බලන්න ආස කරන්න. හරි. එතකොට අපිට සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක පිළිහිටන්නේ. right. ඒ නිසා දැන් ඔය හම්බෙලා තියෙන මැනිකක් වගේ අපිට මේ අධ්‍යාපනය. නේද? ඒක හරියට ඉගෙන ගත්තොත් මේ අපිට ජීවිතේ හොඩ දා ගන්න පුළුවන්. බොහෝ සාර්ථක වෙච්ච මිනිස්සු ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන හොඳට. සුළු පිරිසක් ඉගෙන ගන්නවා අධ්‍යාපනය නැති වුණත් සාර්ථක වෙච්ච හැබැයි ඒක ලේසි මාර්ගයේ නෙවෙයි. මේ නිසා මේ හරියට ලැබිච්ච chance එකෙන් උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජන ගන්න. දැන් ඔයාලා ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් කරලා O level කරන්නේ. එතකොට අනිත් ළමයින්ට සාපේක්ෂව ඔයාලගේ threat එක වැඩි. ඔයාලා language එකක් එක්ක deal කරගෙන subject ඉගෙන ගන්න. නිසා ඒකේ උපරිම benefit එක ගන්න. අතහරින්න එපා ගණන් කිසිම වෙලාවක උත්තර එනකන් ඔට්ටු වෙන්න මේ මනස වෙහෙසවන්න. දැන් කාලේ ළමයි වෙහෙසවන්නේ නැහැ. පොඩ්ඩක් ගාන දැක්ක අමාරු හිතුණා. පැත්තක දැම්ම වැහුවා ගියා. එහෙම නෙමෙයි අපිට ගණන් අමාරු වෙන තරමට ආස වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ අමාරු දෙයක් කරපුවාම පොඩි ත්‍රිල් එකක් එනවා. ඒ ත්‍රිල් එක ගන්න මැත්ස් වල. ඒකට අපිට බැරි වෙන්නේ නැහැ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක. හරි. පේපර්ස් කිරීම තුළින් සෑහෙන අවබෝධයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ නිසා මේ සතියේ මේ මාසෙම පේපර්ස් යනවා. පේපර්ස් 4ක් විතර තව. එතකොට ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් ඉවර වුණත් පුතා ඔයාලා මේකට ජොයින් වෙන්න ඕනේ. හේතුව සමහර ස්කූල් වල ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් ඉවරයි. මොකද හේතුව මේ තර්ඩ් ටර්ම් ලෙසන් එක O level වලටත් එනවා. මේ ක්ලාස් ඉන්ටර්වල් එක ක්ලාස් ඉන්ටර්වල් වලට කඩලා මීන් එක හොයන එක O level පේපර් එකේ ගාණක්. ඒතර මේකේ මීන් එක අපිට 9 වලදී නැහැ. හැබැයි මීන් එක හොයන එක අපිට O level වලදී තියෙනවා. ඒතර මේ දැනුම අපිට ඕනේ 10 11 වලට යනකොට. හරි. මේ නිසා හැමෝම ඒ අවස්ථාවෙන් උපරිම බෙනිෆිට් එක ගන්න. right. so එහෙනම් අපිට දැන් තියෙන්නේ right මේ question එක question number 2 right බලන්න. Normally decided to cut out a circular lamina from the trapezium shaped piece of cardboard with her hand. Right, what is the radius of the largest circle that she can cut? Now it is to cut a certain circular from the trapezium shaped piece of cardboard with her hand. What is the radius of the largest circle that he can cut? Kiyana balana, what is the radius of the largest circle he can cut? May lamina ke. What is the radius? Largest circle. So largest circle means a circle like coming here. Right, that means the diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter. Okay, then the radius is half of that. The radius is how much? 7 centimeter. එක නිකන් හිතලා ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. මේකෙන් කපන්න පුළුවන් circle එක common sense. ඒවා තියෙනවනේ නේද? Right. So the diameter is 14, half of that is 7 centimeter. Calculate the area of that circle. So you know that area of a circle, we have the formula 5r squared. What is formula? 5r squared. For 5 we substitute 22 upon 7 into r squared. Right. R squared. Then r is 7 centimeter, 7 into 7. 5r into r squared. Then 7 simplified. Then 7 into 22, it comes 154. What is the unit? Square centimeters. Keep the unit always, right? For that one, 3 marks is there. Calculate the area of the remaining part after cut the circle. To find the remaining part area, you need to find the area of this trapezium, then subtracts the area of this triangle. Then the remaining part is given. Because this is cut out. This is cut. So you then find the area of trapezium. So you have to write these steps, right? Area of trapezium. How to take the area of trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel line. What is the sum of the parallel line? Here 24 plus here 42. Right. That is the sum of parallel line into the perpendicular height. What is the perpendicular height? 14 centimeter. Now you can see that half into 66 into 14. Now 2127, then it gives you 462 square centimeters. Okay, that is the trapezium area. Then what is the remaining part? How to find the remaining part? Remaining part means just from the total trapezium 462 square centimeter subtracts 154. 308 square centimeters. Okay. Right, that is the remaining part area. Hands up those who got that answer, remaining part area. Okay, right. Right, Buddha. Last question. Expressing in simplest form the ratio between the area of the trapezium and circle. Area of trapezium and circle, right? So what is the area of trapezium? We found 462. 2 area of circle. Circle is 154. Now you can divide by 11. 11 4, 44. 4 2 2 11 2, then 11 1 11, then 4. Again you can divide by 14, right? 14 3, 14 1. එකසි පනස්සතරෙන්ම බෙදෙනවානේ. 154 තුනයි, right? So 3 to 1 is the ratio. Final form, simplest form is 3 to 1. Right, correct it. Right, now we are moving to the question number 3. Find the value of x according to the data given in this diagram. Right, I will do with use of the board here. Right, so now we are going to discuss, right, that questions that is very important questions. Normally polygon question is there. The second one, that is pentagon. So regular pentagon being drawn here. Right, this is the question, see there. Okay, now check the angles. They are x, here x, and here 100 100, and here we have x and 108. Right, now check the answers, Putta. First question. Okay, they are asking find the value of x according to the data given in the diagram. So now you know that here the interior angle sum. What is the interior angle sum of a pentagon? Kim balan? The answer. Stand by chat. So, what is the interior angle sum? If sides 5, how to find the interior angle sum? There is a formula. 5 subtract 2, number of sides minus 2 into 180. So, here we have sides 5 minus 2 into 180. So, that means 3 into 180, that gives you 540 degrees. That is the interior angle sum. If you forgot, right, that is how you did. If side 6, how to take the answer? 6 minus 2 into 180. So now you know the interior sum of this polygon is 540. Then you add up all the angles and equal to 540. X plus 100 plus 100 plus here x plus 108 equal, right, 540. X plus x 2x plus here 200 308 equal 540, right? Then 2x equal, right, 540 subtracts 308, then 2x equal, right, 232. Just divide by 2, then x equal to 1 to 1 6, so 116 degrees. Okay, right. That is a part A, 3 mark is there. So part B, first one. So what we did, the interior angle sum of a pentagon equal to the 540. Find the magnitude of an exterior angle. The interior angle, next question, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 4 times as the exterior angle, right? The interior angle of a regular polygon is 4 times as the exterior angle. Now we do not know what is the polygon, right? But see here how to deal the question. In that polygon, if I make, so imagine the polygon is running in this way, okay? So I take one vertex and I extend the sides to make exterior angle. Okay, this is the polygon. So this is the polygon. So I extend the sides as taking exterior angle. So this is the interior angle of the polygon. This is the exterior angle of the polygon. So the logic is of any polygon, the sum of interior plus the exterior, one angle, the sum of these is 180 because that is a straight line. Okay, now we apply the given equations. The interior angle of regular polygon is 4 times the exterior angle. So I take the exterior angle x, then interior should be 4x, 4 times of x. So now you know this is a straight line all the time. Then the sum of 4x plus x becomes 180. Okay, then 5x equal 180. Then you can subject x divide by 5 both the sides. 5 cancel, then x equal 5 3 15 then 35 6. So x equals 36 degree. Okay, so that is the exterior angle of the polygon. 3 mark is there. Then part 2, find the magnitude of an interior angle. Interior angle, so that is the exterior angle is the x, interior angle is 4x, 4 times of that. Interior equal 4 times of that, 4 into 3, 36. So that gives you 144 degree. Okay, or otherwise from 180 subtract this exterior, that's the interior given. Me alut points ඔළුවට දාගන්න පුතා right. උත්තරේ විතරක් නෙමෙයි concept එක ඔළුවට දාගන්න. හරි. Find how many sides are there in the polygon. මේ polygon එකේ sides කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා එනවා. බලන්න උත්තරේ දාන්න chat එකට. How many sides are there in the polygon? How to take the how many sides? How many sides are there? So you know that exterior angle value is non 36. Okay, one exterior is 36. So how much the total sum of any polygon? It doesn't depend upon the number of sides. It's like independent from the number of sides. The exterior angle sum for any polygon, exterior sum is 360. So here one angle is 36. That exterior we found 36. Then one angle 36, the total sum is 360. Then you can see that how many 36 parts there are, 36 angles there. So when you divide 360 by 36, you can take number of exterior angles. So what is the number of exterior angle? 10. You know that in a polygon, number of exterior equal, number of interior angle equal, number of sides equal. Sorry. Exterior, interior, sides all are equal. That means the value is equal. Value mean count equal. And angles the high and sides the high. So sides equal 10. So how to deal? Just the sum of the exterior divide by one exterior because all are equal in a regular polygon. Right. Next one. What is the name of the polygon having 10 side? What is the 10 sides polygon? Decagon, no? Decagon. For 10 sides they are then decagon. Right. Okay, that's the question. Any questions of that part? Point again. Right. Interior plus exterior all the time of a polygon is 180. here x and then 4 times 4x, 3 times 3x. In that manner, the question would be designed. Right. Okay, the next question. Right, I will do this one within that. Write the following set with elements. Careful with elements using the Venn diagram. Okay, A set A equal, when you write a set with element, it must be within the curly brackets and capital letter equal. So follow up all these steps. So A set means all the elements belong to set A. So either this intersection, but that A part is there, belongs to A. So G, F, G, H, F, K. G, H, F, K. So this is not to be no issue with the order. Order එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මේවා මාරුණාට ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. ඔය elements හතර ඉන්නවා. Okay. Then universal set is the universal set. So universal set is this rectangle. Under that, every element belongs to the universal set. So inside this and outside, everything within this rectangle is the universal set. So you write A, B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, K. All the elements you write within the curly brackets. Then A intersection B. Intersection means the common region for both. Right. This is the intersection region. So what are the elements? F and K. So within the curly bracket, you write F comma K. Within the curly brackets, you write F comma K. Then A union B. Union means the sum of A and B. Union is like addition. Remember in that way. A plus B, everything. Everything of A plus B. A here, G, F, H, K. Additionally, E, C, D. Right. A union B. So everything of A and B together. G, F, K, H. Then E, C, D. Right. Then B dash, there put B dash means complement of B. B dash mean complement. Complement mean except B. Now dash එක වැටෙනවා කියන එකේ තේරුම එයා හැර except that. B dash mean except B. C dash mean except C. A dash mean except A. Right. So you choose B. B is the set here. Except that, without that, everything. Some students see that G and H only. No, except B means all the elements except that. So outside A and B also except B sets, B dash. So what is the answer then? B dash equal, right, within the curly brackets, A, B, G, H. A, B, G, H. Okay. Then A and B are two disjoint sets in a universal set, represented information in Venn diagram. Right. A and B are two disjoint set in a universal set, represented in Venn diagram. If they are disjoint, right, this is how to draw A, B disjoint. They are not intersecting each other. If no intersection means they are disjoint. Intersection එකක් නැත්තම් පුතේ එයාලට අපි කියන්නේ disjoint like this. Okay, this is the disjoint set. Okay, do Right. Okay, Buddha. Right. So here now A and B are disjoint set. Right. Okay, that is okay, right? Fine. Now we move to the question number 5. හොඳට බලන්න 5 question එක. There are 7 equal cards of same shapes and size numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inside a box. Tirina obtain a card at random. Write the sample space. Sample space means all the probable results. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. ලැබෙන්න පුළුවන් සියලු ප්‍රතිඵල වලට තමයි sample space එක කියන්නේ. Right. So this is the sample space. It is a set. So 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is NS? Right. What is NS? NS means the number of elements of a set S. Number of N means number of element of set S. Set S ki තියෙන elements ගන්න. කීයක් තියෙනවද elements? 7 is there. Number of elements of set S is 7. Then write the elements of A and find in A. Right. Write the elements of A and find in A. What is A here? What is A here? Did you take the answer? Is A mentioned there? What is A? Anyone got the answer for this one? Can you send a message? What is A there? A mentioned. What is the event here? Right. I think that is missing to in the question to mention what is a event not mentioning like taking even number, like taking odd number or prime number. That event is missing, Puta. So that is a mistake of the question. Element of set A. A කියන එක define කරලා නැහැ ගානේ. ඒක missing වෙලා. Right. Tilin obtain a card at random. Like maybe a even number or number, whatever that event to be specified. So we cannot move forward with these 3 parts that A event is missing. Did anyone do it? Yes. Imagine if the event is odd number, then take the odd numbers here 1, 3, 5, 7. So this example, then the NA means 4. Okay, then PA means that 4 divided by the total element 7. So likewise, okay. Here we can see that find the probability of obtaining a number not less than. Here I will give all marks because that A is not given. Find the probability of obtaining a number not less than 3. Not less than 3 means these, right? Not less than 3 means taking a number like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many occasions are there? How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upon how many total? There are 7. What is the probability here? 5 upon 7. Right. Right. Now we move to the question number 6. Following rough sketch represent the location of office and the laboratory from the school gate. Then they are asking to complete that one. That is scale diagram question. Right, hands up those who completed the scale diagram. Okay, right. What is, we will check that question. Following a rough sketch represent the location of office and library from the school gate. What is the instrument prepared to find the bearing in the school? What is the instrument prepared to find the bearing of the school? What is the instrument we can use for finding the bearing? Tell me what is the name? Do you know the name of the instrument? Anyone? So at the lesson, we have that one to find the bearing. We have an equipment, right? What is that called? In the bearing part that we discussed, that instrument that is called what? Clinometer. What is that? Clinometer. Clinometer. Not protector. Clinometer, Buddha. Clinometer. Okay. Clinometer is the using for the bearing measurements. We use protector there as a tool, right? What is the bearing of office from the gate? Office from the gate. Okay, office එක අහන්නේ office from gate. From කියන්නේ මෙතන ඉඳලා gate එකට යනවා, right? මෙතන office එක from office or gate or bearing of office from gate එකේ සිට office එකට දක්වා bearing එක. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ angle එක තමයි එන්න ඕනේ clockwise until you made the office from gate. So this total angle to be found. Then how to find? Here 50 there. Then here totally how much? These two knots are parallel. Then these two allied angles. So if it is 50, this total is 130 degrees. Okay, 130 degrees plus 50, 180 becomes. So the bearing of office from the gate is 130 degrees. So we have to specify 3 digits. They are there in 130 degrees. Then draw a scale diagram by taking the scale 1 to 10. Scale diagram 1 to 10. Then how to do that one? Right here 80 meter there. Right. Then decide what would be the distance for 80 meter to draw that one. හරි. ඒතර කොහොමද අපි පුතේ ඒක decide කරන්නේ? මෙතනින් හිතන්නේ 1 to 10 වලින්. හරි. හරි. එතකොට මම ඒක discussion එක මම කරන්නම් ඒක ටිකක් වෙලාව අරන් කරන්න ඕනේ පුතා. දැන් මට ඊළඟ ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්න වෙනවා. මේක ටිකක් අඳින විදිහේ in detail discuss කරන්න ඕනේ. මේක කෙටියෙන් කියලා දීලා බෑ. මේක ගොඩක් අයට අමාරුයි. right? ඒ නිසා මම මේක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම මේ කොටසයි graph එක වැදගත්ම question එක අනිත් එක මේ graph question එකයි scale diagram එකයි ඊළඟ දවසේ මම සම්පූර්ණයෙන් ඒක discuss කරලා ඉවර වෙලා paper 2 එකට යන්න. හරිද? මොකද මේ දෙකම අපිට discuss කරන්න වෙලාව මදි අද. එහෙමනම් මේක කරපු නැති අය ඉන්නවා නම් මේ අවසානයේ graph and scale diagram they all can continue these two questions. So the next week my first thing is to complete this graph and the scale diagram to you, right? So I will upload the paper 2 tonight to the website and your WhatsApp groups. Then you can take it and start doing the paper 2 for this week. So we have that balance part. So I will cover throughout this month. Okay, my students, you got the idea of the paper today. So the majority we completed except these two questions. This is big questions and the major questions of the paper. So I will cover up that one by the next week. Okay, Pute? So I will conclude the session for today. We will meet by next week. Thank you very much, my students. I go on.